Hi everyone, here we've got LENOVO Tab E7 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and tap on the battery. As you can see here in the power management, we've got battery percentage option, which is right now turned off, obviously because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your LENOVO Tab E7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.